Hey everybody, Fast Eddy here. So this is a video introducing myself and my company and my channel on YouTube. My real name is Edward Mann. I grew up in St. Paul, Minnesota, moved to Minneapolis in 1982, and been here ever since. Many people ask me how I got into locksmithing. I had two buddies that were locksmiths. One of them grew up as a locksmith with their father. And I was doing car sales at the time. They wanted me to help them with a company that they were starting up to sell the company. They thought I was charismatic or some crap like that. So before you know it, I learned locksmithing. And for a short time, we became business partners. And of course, like most partnerships, they don't work out. So I started Fast Eddy's Keys Express, locksmith company. And I've been a locksmith since 1985. My company, Fast Eddy's Keys Express, does commercial lock work on buildings and businesses. Also, we do residential lock service and automotive car locksmithing, not to mention lockout service. I'm fully insured and bonded and registered with the state of Minnesota. Most of my videos on YouTube are informational about what we do, not necessarily how you do it all the time, but we do have some videos that are how-to videos about locksmith service. Sometimes I use my videos to reach out to Google to make suggestions, but most of it's informative. I have a dry sense of humor. I'm a little sarcastic, but I get along with almost everyone. Most everybody. I'm very friendly. I insist my employees are friendly. My policy is get in there and get out of there. No reason to waste a lot of time with a customer or their locksmithing needs. If you know what you're doing, it shouldn't take long at all. You can find our YouTube channel at Fast Eddy's Keys Express, spelled with a Y. And there's also some videos under my personal account, Edward Mann. That's M-A-N-N. I'm also on other social medias. Twitter, X. We've been there since 1998, 99, something like that. We post a lot of our videos on there with YouTube. We're on Facebook for Fast Eddy's Keys Express, LinkedIn. We're also on Angie's Better Business Bureau. We're also on Threads, Instagram, Pinterest, of course. So yeah, we're on most social medias, but YouTube is the only one that we do videos on. Not only are they informative, but I do add a little fun with it sometimes. I don't even know how many videos I have between the two channels. Maybe 300 or 400. But we're going to keep publishing on YouTube as long as I can. Right now on Google, Fast Eddy's Keys Express has 572 Google reviews. Most of them are 5-star. Most of them. Can't win them all. We're at a 4.9 star rating and climbing. We're very proud of our Google and our reviews. We also have reviews on Facebook and Yelp. I almost forgot about Yelp. Yeah, we're on Yelp too. So if you have any questions regarding locksmithing or the business or security needs, go ahead and post in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer your questions. The number one question most people ask me, how did I learn locksmithing? You can almost see it in their eyes. They want to hear you say you've been in prison or something, or you used to be a burglar. People love their fantasies. I don't get it. It is what it is. But for the most part, I taught myself along the way. I've been law-abiding. I'm not a felon. And I'm all about business. I take people's security personally because I know I do have the power to protect them if need be with locking hardware. And it's pretty important. So I am Edward Mann, aka Fast Eddy, and that's who Fast Eddy is. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you guys have a good week. Again, if you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments. Have a good week. Bye-bye.